Welcome to Dunder Data Pandas Challenge number 16. These are daily exercises to challenge your Pandas skills. You can take all of the challenges at python.dunderdata.com. All right, let's read in our employee data set here. And then for this challenge, you're going to find all of the titles that appear in more than one department and return a set. So over here, we're going to look for titles that are common in not just the department that they are in, but in multiple departments. So maybe a more generic title such as senior manager can be in multiple departments. And we want to find all of those titles as strings and just return a set. So this is a little tricky here, but the first thing that we can do is just look at, we're going to group, let's group by title. Okay, so I'm going to find all of the unique titles. And what we'll do here is we will aggregate the department column, and we'll say how many unique, this is the number of unique, how many, what is the number of unique departments for each title. So say for this police department title, we're grouping by this one. It'll find out how many unique departments have this police sergeant in it. In this case, this is not a very generic title, so I'm guessing it's probably just the police department. So let's go ahead and run this. This is not the right answer, but we just want to see what goes on. So here's a couple over here that have 2. So this title, Webmaster, appears in 2 unique, 2 different departments. Word Processor appears in another, in also 2. Okay, so that's good. So what we want to do is just filter for those that have greater or 2 or more. We don't want the ones that have 1. So this we'll assign this to a series. We'll just say our variable s. That's a series. And what we want to do is let's filter. We'll use Boolean filtering. So we'll say we just want the ones that have greater than 1. We want to filter out or just filter for those that are greater than 1. And let's look at these. And now we can see here are all the titles, and there's quite a few of them. There's 243 that appear in more than one department. We just want the index over here. So we're just going to return the index. That's great. But we need to convert this to a set, so we'll just pass it to the set constructor, and that will return all of those titles as strings within a set, and we can look at the solution, and it gets the same thing. All right, and just let's verify that we have the right answer, and we do. All right, so that's how you do Pandas Challenge number 16. If you enjoyed this challenge and would like to learn more, then come check out my books and courses at dunderdata.com. I provide a comprehensive path for mastering both Python and Pandas to produce trusted results. Below I have a few of my courses. Exercise Python will teach you the fundamentals of Python. Master Data Analysis with Python is an extremely comprehensive course that will teach you everything there is to know about using the Pandas library to do data analysis. And then my newest course is Build an Interactive Data Analytics Dashboard with Python, which is a really fun and exciting course and teaches you all the steps for launching your very own dashboard with Python.